Hello friends, this is woon.heng and today you'll see how to make a delicious taro rice or 芋头饭 that smells so good using a rice cooker. You can serve it with protein of your choice, soup, and stir-fry vegetables for a complete meal. Let's get started! Sauté shallots in oil until translucent or until it starts to release its sweet aroma. This takes between 3 to 5 minutes depending on the amount and the size of the chopped shallots and the heat that you have it on. Then add the mushrooms and continue to cook until fragrant for about a minute or two. I'm using softened dried shiitake mushrooms, or you can use any other mushrooms that you like. Do stir often to prevent the shallots from getting burned. Add in the taro cubes and allow the heat to slowly brown the taro, which takes about 1 to 2 minutes to do so, depending on how thick you cut your cubes into. I love to use fresh taro, but frozen one will work just as great, but be sure to thaw them before use. Season it with vegan oyster sauce and soy sauce, then give it a quick stir to mix everything together. And for a homemade vegan oyster sauce that's made from mushrooms, please check out the video link in the caption for the recipe. Then slowly add in the washed and drained Jasmine rice and give it a good stir to mix all the ingredients together. It's important to drain the clean rice as the liquid that I'm using is just right for the amount of rice used. And if you are using other types of rice, please adjust the liquid amount accordingly. Then add a pinch of Chinese 5-spice powder and white pepper to give the rice a more flavorful aroma. You can also add a tiny swirl of thick dark soy sauce for the color, and then toss all the ingredients together until well combined. And you can include some veggies here, and I'm using Chinese mustard green stem, which actually go really well with this rice. Other veggies such as Chinese broccoli or gailan will work too. Once all the ingredients are well incorporated, transfer the mixture to your rice pot. Slightly spread out the rice so it has an even cooking surface. And add in the vegetable stock and place the rice pot back into the rice cooker and turn it on. Once it's done cooking, let the rice cool down a little before you fluff them with a fork. There you have it! Taro rice with Chinese mustard green is done. I hope you like this recipe and video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye!